speech class stared at me. Are you doing it?
Yeah, that's fine. It's not like I started it yet. Just showing 8 people.
Now I can count this as starting it. So this is probably the reason why I don't go on cruise ships. The Carnival cruise disasters. Yes, I'm not just counting the ones that happened last year, but the ones that's happened since it started in 1972. It's a British and American cruise line, so they have to go by British standards along with American standards. Unlike British people, they have vacation time, sick time separately. They also get paid a lot more than Americans. So when they get British workers who are used to this, you get disasters like this. In 1998, there have been 4 fires in the ship. January 2012 struck a reef in Italy, killing 32 people. This was the cruise ship 2 years ago, I heard about. February 10th, 2013, engine room set on fire, stranded Gulf people in Mexico for 4 days. March 14th, 2013, emergency generator failure. Had to fly all the passengers that had flew in there to get on the ship back to Florida. And they didn't do any stops whatsoever. There was also March 15th, 2013, suffered a mechanical problem, so they had to cancel 2 stops. This was while they were still on the cruise ship. And returned to Florida, again, at much a slower speed than what the boats that they're used to. So you probably heard on the news that, well, it took a long time. Yeah, it took a lot longer than a long time. They were supposed to get there a week, and they got there in 2 weeks instead.
Oh.
The cruise ships themselves are known for Las Vegas-style decorations and entertainment. The company was founded in 1972. And if they paid their workers more, this would not be an issue. They also get 1,000 times more money than the average employee, while still cutting corners to save cost on the ship. So, in conclusion, you shouldn't cut corners to go on to make a better profit off of your employees, or you'll just wind up costing more in flight and medical damages to passengers.